Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be Nykaa haul. So I kind of purchased some essentials from Nykaa. It's not a very big haul guys, I just have very little items to show you guys. So this is gonna be a very quick haul. So if you're interested to watch this video, please keep on watching. If you want to know how I created this look, it will already be up on my channel, and excuse the noises outside. My neighborhood is really noisy right now and I can't do anything about that, so please excuse the noises if you hear something. And without any further delay, let's get into the video. But before that guys, if you're someone new and looking at this face for the first time, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and also do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's straight away get into the video. So first, let me show the makeup items I have purchased. First item is this one. This is nothing but the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Foundation, and I'm in the shade 107 Fresh Beach. This is the foundation I'm wearing right now. This is a very long lasting foundation. That's what it says. It says it's 24-hour HD foundation. This is the first time I'm using this particular thing. I used to use the L'Oreal Infallible, the bottle, the foundation which comes in a bottle. I think this is the same foundation, but I don't remember the shade which I used to purchase before, and now I got the shade 107 Fresh Beach, which is still a tad bit lighter as you can see, but generally for me, the foundation will actually oxidize a little bit, so it will just get adjusted to my skin tone. So I buy a shade brighter, so that after oxidization it matches my skin perfectly. So as you can see, this is how it looks on my skin. So this foundation is actually for rupees 750 I think, but I got it for rupees 488, which is actually a bomb discount according to me. So I'm very happy with this purchase. I really like the formulation and stuff. Second item I purchased is nothing but my loose powder. As you know, I was struggling with baking and setting my face without any proper loose powder. I did not have any, so I finally bought my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and I'm in the shade 30 medium deep. This has a tad bit of orange tone, which actually color corrects my under eyes. Also a little bit of darkness which I have is just set with this powder. So I'm really happy that I selected medium deep. It is a finely milled powder and it gives you coverage, so it's a added benefit. I do not remember the price for how much I got it. Actual price of the product is 695 rupees. So my next makeup purchase, which is nothing but the last makeup purchase, is eyeshadow palette. So finally I decided to welcome two more palettes into my makeup collection. If you generally know me, I do not invest more on eyeshadow palettes because I know how much I use. I like to create maximum number of looks using one single palette. That is actually how I do my makeup, and I really like experimenting with looks and trying to create looks with one single palette. Maximum have I think 5 palettes in my collection, and now I have 2 more palettes, which is again from the Makeup Revolution family. I really love their eyeshadow guys. This is the 2 eyeshadow palettes I bought. So this was a combo offer and it is nothing but buy 2 for rupees 990. This is actually a lot of savings for me. That is why I invested in this, because if you want to buy these 2 palettes together, it cost rupees 1900, but hot pink sale I got it for rupees 990, and as soon as I saw this, I added some essentials in my cart and I ordered it. After a few minutes this was completely out of stock, so this was a bomb offer according to me. So this one is the Reloaded palette from Makeup Revolution. I got the shades Hypnotic. Hypnotic is nothing but a collection of neutrals, as you can see. It has gold shades as well, and also the cooler tone shades, which is nice. It has mattes, it has transition shades, it has shimmers, which is of very good quality, as you can see. Next palette I have is called Red Alert, which I was eyeing for so long, and I didn't want to actually buy a palette with full amount. I never do that, especially if I'm buying eyeshadow palettes. So yeah, this is the color palette of Red Alert. Mostly it is on the pinker tones, not red tones, it's towards the pink tones, as you can see. It has very nice colors to play with, really a bright color, as you can see, and again you have nice coppery shimmers. This is more warm tone shimmer and stuff, and you have a white shade, so that's nice. I use Hypnotic palette to create this look. So again, if you want to know how I did this makeup, you can go ahead and watch that video. I'll be linking it at the end of this video as well. This is one of my favorite purchase and one of the where you can save a lot of money. So yes, and one more thing, I heard a lot of people telling that Nykaa has given them expired products or to be expired products, which is nearing the expiry date. So I did not face that issue because I checked all the expiry dates, and most of the products are manufactured somewhere after October or November 2019, so that I have better shelf life and more shelf life for these products. Eyeshadow palette, as you can see, this is manufactured in the month of September 2019. I do have time to use it until the August of 2022. So I think I don't have any issue with nearing expiry dates and all. Or so the next product I bought from Nykaa is something to sanitize or clean my vegetables or fruits which I buy from outside. So in this situation, it's really necessary to sanitize everything you get from outside. So I bought this one. This is nothing but the Nykaa Veggie Safe Fruit and Vegetable Cleaner. It's made from naturally derived cleansers. That's what it says. It has no residue, no aftertaste, and no smell, which is really good. It will last you long, I think, because you just need 2 teaspoons of this in 2 liters of water. I think it will last longer. It was for rupees 149. I did not get any discount for this. And the last item I bought from Nykaa is for skincare. I bought a toner. It's from Mamaearth. It's their vitamin C face toner, as you can see. This is for pore tightening. I have a lot to talk about Mamaearth products, and I think it deserves a separate video. This for maybe a week, and I have something to tell about this toner. So stay tuned, I'll review this soon with other Mamaearth products. Again, this is not sent to me, I bought it from my own money. And this is for rupees 399. I think I got it for rupees around 300 or something. So that's that. So before closing the video, let me also show you one more purchase I have made. This is not from Nykaa, I bought it from Amazon. So I thought, why not add this particular item into this haul as well. So this is nothing but a moisturizer. It's from the brand called Scent Divance, I think this is called. So it's their ultra nourishing body lotion, as you can see. It's actually the winter edition, and as you guys know, my skin is really dry on my body, and I generally love moisturizers that do give the long lasting feeling. That is why I started creating my body butters on my own and started using it. And again, I keep using my body butter. If you haven't watched that video of me making body butter, DIY body butter, which is really good for your skin. and stretch marks. So if you haven't watched that video, I'll link it up in the I button as well. You can watch it. So this one is for the times when I'm running late, or times when I feel a little bit lazy to DIY my body butter, is the time I use this. So this one is majorly containing jojoba oil, olive oil, tea tree oil, and shea butter, coconut oil, almond oil, and lot of oil. The one thing I really like is they have listed all the ingredients in the list over here, so that's really great. So this has 36 months of shelf life as well. Again, body lotions, I'll run out of body lotion like nothing, because one bottle of body lotion will be emptied maybe within 1 month. Actually, my body actually drinks body lotion, so this is paraben free, so that's really nice. And it comes with a pump. It also has a stopper so that you can travel with it. So I hope you really enjoyed my video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, and see you in my next video, guys. Until then, take care. Bye.